Hello, this is Little Boy 233. Well, today we are going to play Minecraft, but a special one. That means so Minecraft has update to 0.13.0, and there's a lot of new things. So let me check it out. So first, let me see the skin. So it's new pack. Let's watch this. So this is a Tundra Tamer. Oh, this one. Biome Settlers pack. So let me see. We have, oh crap, what's this? Biome Settler pack 1. What's this? Okay, let's don't care. Let's go to our world. Today I'm going to do a creative because I'm going to introduce the new things that we have in the 0.13.0 Minecraft. So the first one I'm going to introduce is the iron doors and the different doors. You must use you cannot open with your hands. You must use a lever or the button. And next, I'm going to show you a trap chest. It's usually, I don't know how to use it, so I'll Google search next time. And next we have a note block. Actually, you can fix it like that and just play music. La 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 la. Okay, so this end of here. The next is redstones. You can place redstones and you can play redstones. Yep. And just want a redstone torch or anything, or a pressure plate. Wait. See, it's working. Okay, so next we have new rails, like the powered rail. No, powered rail is old. We have the detector rail and the activator rails. So example, if let's say I'm going to build a activator rail first, and I'm going to build a detector rail here. And so if I put a minecart, try it. You will on the redstone. See? So you can play. And next we have, of course, pressure plates, button, and redstone lamp, the daylight sensor, and the trip wire hook. And yep, this and spawn eggs. We have rabbit. You can find horse, but it's in survival only. So I didn't manage to find one. And I am going to teach you a trap with a pressure plate. So first, we are going to dig 2 holes like that. Okay, and we are going to put TNT, yep, and a gravel. Put some pressure plates and drop. Look at that. So let's try again because it's not too good at first. I'm going to try it on survival. I'm not going to go in. I will like throw something and oh crap. Okay, I will like throw dirt. Yes, look at this. Jump down. Look at it. Respawn. So it's very fun, and hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe me, Video Boy 233, and we'll see you next time. Bye.